All right, next up, my favorite loop, SyJo, Raindrops, GBB25 World League Loopstation Wildcard. This is my solo Loopstation entry. Dun dun dun. Free run, of course. Okay, I'm ready. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna, like I said, until 1, half an hour more of reactions, and that will do it. At 1 a.m., I'm done. Grab some popcorn, fill up your water, put your headphones on. Let's go.
Yo guys, this is SyJo, and this is my wildcard for the GBB25 World League Loopstation category.
Oh, I have heard this one before.
Raindrops in the mountains, whispers in your ear, millions as of counting. Oh, I wonder why we're here. Raindrops, they keep falling, time's just passing by. Whispers, they are calling my name till the day that I die. It's calling me. Raindrops. Raindrops in the mountains, whispers that calls your name, they call up your name.
The switch up. No, sir. Is it mayhem?
Mayhem.
ABA. Chaos. Christoph 7S. SyJo. Freedom. Leonard. Ooh, I'm hyped for Mayhem once again. First things first, we hit the like. I am subscribed, and I'll have a link of the original video down in the description below. Yeah, you guys are right. Fire in the chat. 100 hearts. Can you guys see that? Whenever I said send emojis, you can see it. Hearts all the way. I've heard it before, but still hits just as hard. It's very impressive. I'm not a fan of flashing lights, but I am a fan of this routine, and it just sounds so heavy, so strong. Those trumpets, like, and then coming back, like that effect of being really loud and then really soft. The contrast, so you're kind of like, it's almost like he's grabbing you, right, with that movement. That's what I sense from this track. It's like a tide or a wave going back and forth. The singing, beautiful as always. And this was more of like, the song is called Raindrops. Maybe that's, kind of raindrops coming down, but it's like strong raindrops, not light or delicate, the way we saw with Alice, for example, that mood. This is more like, I'm here, these are heavy raindrops, this is a storm, and he's really giving it his all. I feel like if I had a category to check off from a list, all the different categories, it's just like check, 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 check. Performance, showmanship, originality, technicality, musicality, like everything. 100. This has to make it in. And if it's not in, then I am going to go on strike. But yeah, no, really, top level. Where do we place you? I think it is pretty easy. Number one. Number one, guys. In fact, like I've been saying the whole stream, I think a lot of these wildcards are around the same level, save a few. SyJo being one of them. Even Nils, who I've had for the top, I think he's the same level as like Leonard, who I have way lower. But it's just my personal preference of I have to, put them somewhere. But like these 10 in the middle are kind of the same level. Then there's a bottom few, and there's top SyJo.